Some of the most important signs are the ones you barely notice until you need them. In this session of the commonly known UK road signs, we're focusing on signs you probably pass all the time, but might not consciously register. Let's see if your instincts are as sharp as your memory. Spot the signs, track your score, and drop it in the comments when you're done. Question 1. What is the meaning of this traffic sign? A. Traffic lights ahead. B. Junction ahead, controlled by a stop or give way sign. C. Zebra crossing at junction. The answer is B. Junction ahead, controlled by a stop or give way sign. Question 2. This sign is telling goods vehicles to A. Goods vehicles should get into the left lane. B. Heavy traffic should exit here. C. Vans and lorries merge to center. The answer is A. Goods vehicles should get into the left lane. Question 3. What situation does this warning sign represent? A. Low-flying helicopters or sudden helicopter. B. Sudden airplane sounds likely. C. No-fly zone begins. The answer is A. Low-flying helicopters or sudden helicopter. Question 4. When you see this road sign, what should you expect? A. Hump in the road sign. B. Steep incline. C. Road narrows after bump. The answer is A. Hump in the road sign. Question 5. How should this speed sign be interpreted? A. Minimum speed limit 30 miles per hour. B. 30 miles per hour, advisory only. C. Maximum speed limit sign 30 miles per hour. The answer is C. Maximum speed limit sign 30 miles per hour. Question 6. What does this motorway sign indicate? A. End of motorway sign 1. B. End of dual carriageway. C. Start of motorway. The answer is A. End of motorway sign 1. Question 7. What is the correct interpretation of this sign? A. Start of minimum speed limit 40 miles per hour. B. Maximum speed 40 miles per hour. C. End of minimum speed limit sign 40 miles per hour. The answer is C. End of minimum speed limit sign 40 miles per hour. Question 8. What type of speed limit area are you entering? A. Entrance to a 20 miles per hour speed limit zone. B. 30 miles per hour zone begins. C. Entrance to restricted parking zone. The answer is A. Entrance to a 20 miles per hour speed limit zone. Question 9. What kind of area does this sign indicate? A. Residential area ends. B. Home zone sign. C. Pedestrian zone with restrictions. The answer is B. Home zone sign. Question 10. What route regulation does this sign represent? A. Congestion zone sign. B. Parking allowed during off-peak. C. Red route sign. The answer is C. Red route sign. Question 11. What direction should a driver take at this sign? A. Gentle curve to the right. B. Sharp bend to the left sign. C. Series of humps begins. The answer is B. Sharp bend to the left sign. Question 12. Which type of parking zone does this apply to? A. Entrance to general parking zone. B. Entrance to a controlled parking zone applying to goods vehicles. C. Controlled parking for buses only. The answer is B. Entrance to a controlled parking zone applying to goods vehicles. Question 13. When shown this sign, what action should be taken? A. Proceed with caution sign. B. Wait signal. C. Go sign. The answer is C. Go sign. Question 14. What should drivers be cautious of in this area? A. Roads subject to aircraft landings. B. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise likely ahead. C. Military area with drones. The answer is B. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise likely ahead. Question 15. What road layout is up ahead? A. Narrow road sign both sides ahead. B. Road narrows to the central lane. C. One-lane traffic ahead. The answer is A. Narrow road sign both sides ahead. Question 16. What narrowing does this sign warn of? A. Road narrows on right side. B. Narrow road sign left ahead. C. Only right lane open. The answer is B. Narrow road sign left ahead. Question 17. What kind of road junction is this? A. Right side road junction ahead. B. Side road ahead. Sign left. C. Side road ends to the left. The answer is B. Side road ahead, sign left. Question 18. What kind of zone is identified here? A. Play street. B. Public walkway zone. C. Residential traffic zone. The answer is A. Play street. Question 19. What kind of junction lies ahead? A. Junction ahead of a primary route. B. Junction joins minor route. C. Turn off for B road ahead. The answer is A. Junction ahead of a primary route. Question 20. How does this sign relate to motorway regulations? A. Motorway begins here. B. End of motorway sign. C. Entry to motorway system. The answer is B. End of motorway sign. Question 21. What does this parking zone sign mean? A. Controlled zone ends. B. Entry to loading zone. C. Entrance to a controlled parking zone in operation. The answer is C. Entrance to a controlled parking zone in operation. Question 22. What narrowing should be expected? A. Narrow road sign, right ahead. B. One-way road left. C. Road splits to the left. The answer is A. Narrow road sign right ahead. Question 23. What restriction is ahead? A. Width restriction sign ahead. B. Height restriction with bypass. C. Location of a weight restriction ahead with indication. The answer is C. Location of a weight restriction ahead with indication. Question 24. What pedestrian rule applies here? A. No access for pedestrians. B. Pedestrian route ends. C. Pedestrian access sign. The answer is C. Pedestrian access sign. Question 25. What road condition is ahead? A. Roadworks sign. B. Maintenance complete. C. Uneven road ends. The answer is A. Roadworks sign. Question 26. What does this carriageway sign indicate? A. Start of dual carriageway sign. B. Dual carriageway ends in 1 mile. C. End of dual carriageway sign. The answer is C. End of dual carriageway sign. Question 27. What is the purpose of this red route sign? A. Blue route clearway. B. Red route clearway sign. C. Emergency services route only. The answer is B. Red route clearway sign. Question 28. What kind of zone is shown here? A. No vehicles permitted. B. Shared zone with cyclists. C. Pedestrian zone sign. The answer is C. Pedestrian zone sign. Question 29. What restriction is placed on large vehicles? A. Articulated vehicles only. B. No heavy trucks over 10 tons. C. No articulated vehicles sign. The answer is C. No articulated vehicles sign. Question 30. What turning is prohibited? A. No left turn sign. B. Left turn only. C. U-turn permitted. The answer is A. No left turn sign. Question 31. What feature lies ahead on the road? A. Uneven surface sign. B. Bridge narrows warning. C. Hump bridge road sign. The answer is C. Hump bridge road sign. Question 32. Where should goods vehicles position themselves? A. Goods vehicles should get into the left. B. All traffic stay center. C. Goods vehicles must stop ahead. The answer is A. Goods vehicles should get into the left. Question 33. What overtaking rule applies? A. Overtaking allowed when clear. B. No overtaking sign. C. Single file driving required. The answer is B. No overtaking sign. Question 34. What type of turn is restricted here? A. No U-turn sign. B. No right turn sign. C. Restricted right-hand lane. The answer is B. No right turn sign. Question 35. What does this warning symbol prohibit? A. Explosives permitted with escort. B. No flammable gas containers. C. No explosives sign. The answer is C. No explosives sign. Question 36. What is restricted in this area? A. Pedestrian zone only. B. No pedestrian sign. C. Pedestrian crossing 100 yards ahead. The answer is B. No pedestrian sign. Question 37. What road layout change lies ahead? A. Temporary road narrows sharply. B. One-way detour with curves. C. Sharp bends ahead where traffic is diverted onto a temporary. The answer is C. Sharp bends ahead where traffic is diverted onto a temporary. Question 38. What speed limit status is indicated? A. End of 30 mph speed limit. B. Minimum speed limit begins. C. End of minimum speed limit. Sign 30 mph. The answer is C. End of minimum speed limit. Sign 30 mph. Question 39. What minimum speed does this sign enforce? A. Minimum speed limit sign 30 mph. B. Mandatory 20 mph speed zone. C. End of minimum speed limit 30 mph. The answer is A. Minimum speed limit sign 30 mph. Question 40. What is the meaning of this sign concerning pedestrians? A. Pedestrian zone end sign. B. Start of shared use path. C. No pedestrians beyond this point. The answer is A. Pedestrian zone end sign. Nice job finishing this round. These signs may seem ordinary, but knowing them well keeps you and everyone else safer on the road. Keep reviewing, keep growing, and stay road ready. If you found this session helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap that bell so you're set for the next challenge. See you in the next one.